By the way, enjoy this, because this is the last time I'm meeting you here.
I think it's kind of fun.
Fun doesn't usually smell like this.
So you pick a place.
Well, you have to admit, I mean, this is insane. At what point do we stop being afraid of your mother?
Excuse me, we're trying to have a meeting here, and just you don't. Okay. Okay.
Okay, look. I'm gonna put this out there. Tomorrow, I'm going for a hike, alone, 7:30. Do with that what you want.
Okay. Gotcha.
You know, life was a lot simpler before you became a thespian.
Thespian? I am not a thespian.
Oh, really? Well, what would you call it then?
I don't know. I'm not comfortable with labels.
Look, if you open up a can and there's beans in it, it's a can of beans.